Gabriel Santos is set to go down against Westin Wilson, and Gabriel Santos suffered two back-to-back losses since his UFC arrival. Lost to Ron Murphy and David Onama, but I hope he'll get back, and he was amazing in LFA, but he was just facing two difficult opponents, and Westin Wilson also didn't have the great UFC run. He's 6'1", 73 inches of reach, very, very tall fighter. He's way taller than Gabriel Santos, who is only 5'9". Stephen Wonderboy Thompson's student. This guy has great long-range strikes, but he lost to Joe Anderson Brito via ground and pound, and I believe he might get smashed if he gets dragged to the ground. In toe-to-toe exchanges, he is probably gonna lose against Gabriel Santos. But on the other side, Westin Wilson's chance could be long-range fighting, good footwork. Unfortunately, he can't copy Stephen Wonderboy Thompson. He's just a shadow of him, so I'm gonna say Santos. I'm gonna say Santos for the victory. Big fan of Westin Wilson, but I don't give him much of a chances.